When it comes to choosing a ceiling fan, it's largely a matter of personal preference. But there is one factor to keep in mind, and that is you need to match the size of the fan to the size of the room. For example, if your room is 10 by 10, you'll need a 3-foot fan. If it's 15 by 15, a 4-footer, and if it's 25 by 25, you'll want to move up to something that's 5 feet in diameter. Ceiling fans are designed to rotate in both directions. In the summer, set yours to blow air downward. The wind chill effect could make you feel 8 degrees cooler, and you could cut your air conditioning costs by as much as 40%. In the winter, reverse your fan to pull air upward. That'll displace hot air that's collected near the ceiling and push it back down into the living area. And you could save up to 10% on your heating bill. Often a normal ceiling box just isn't strong enough to support a rotating fan. If you have any doubts about yours, replace it with one of these brace boxes. It actually wedges between the ceiling joists.